Today I'm here in sunny Wiltshire to learn more about Eurotank Service Group's new partnership with Electrajet. Prior to the pandemic, in the UK we had 20,000 hand car washes. Due to Brexit and the pandemic, we reopened with 4,000 hand car washes. Many of these operators didn't return to the UK. This leaves a great opportunity and a resurrection of valeting and car wash for the traditional forecourt market. Michael Franks is a director of Electrajet. He's here today to tell me all about the key features of this self-service jet wash. So Michael, can you tell me about the features of the machine?
Thanks Michael. Firstly, we've got the LED advertising screen. It's used to highlight the features of the machine to the customer and can be used for in-store promotions by the shop. All the Electrajet equipment is fitted with contactless readers. It eliminates theft and cash handling. Unlike other machines in the market, we fit a dedicated customer-safe wheel cleaner. For easy application, we have a dedicated pH-neutral snow foam trigger.
Neil Harrison is also a director of Electrajet, and he's going to tell me more about what goes on inside. What's the technical stuff? So Neil, I've seen a lot of jet washes in my time, I suppose not necessarily on the inside, but you've squeezed a lot into such a small space. Can you tell me what's going on in here?
So Michael, the machine has a bigger footprint. This is to house all the storage of chemicals along with the two reels. One of our features is a large combination storage tank. This allows a 65 litre storage of hot water, ensuring that the wash does not run cold. Alongside a combination tank, we have 105 litre storage for the reverse osmosis water, ensuring you always have a streak-free rinse. Also Michael, this unit is significantly more energy efficient than a 10-year-old jet wash. One of the key features of this unit is the auto blowdown frost protection. This removes all the water from your hoses, allowing use on the coldest of mornings.
Now a customer has arrived, let's see it in action. The Electrajet has 7 cleaning functions. Option 1 is a wheel cleaner applicator. Option 2 is a hot snow foam trigger applicator. Option 3 is a high pressure hot traffic film removing soap wash. Option 4 is a hot Arctic white out foam brush. Option 5 is a high pressure standard rinse. Option 6 is a high pressure gloss wax and paint protector. And option 7 is a high pressure spot and streak free reverse osmosis final rinse. In addition to jet washes, Electrajet's product range includes air machines, vacuums and a next generation 4-in-1 machine. This includes tyre inflation, screen wash, vacuum and fragrance. All these extra features included in the Electrajet machines help increase revenue, providing a faster return on investment.
So Jack, can you tell me about this new partnership between Eurotank Service Group and Electrajet?
Eurotank have partnered with Electrajet to build on their high quality manufacturing and add our nationwide service and installation.
Why have Eurotank entered the valeting market?
This is a natural progression in our customer offer. We already have a nationwide fleet of service engineers and a nationwide fleet of interceptor and drainage tankers. We have nationwide installation teams that undertake this type of work all over the country.
And that sounds fantastic, Jack. But what makes you different from your competitors?
So we're in a unique position where we can offer all these services in-house to our customers. Being the sales director for Eurotank, that allows us to tailor proposals to include CapEx and OpEx.
I went on to discuss with Jack the importance of uptime for this type of equipment. The use of valeting equipment is habitual, and as such, this type of equipment needs to be available when the customer wants to use it to enforce the habit and build your customer base. Europump and Electrajet recommend a robust planned preventative maintenance program to include the frequent changing of customer interface parts, which are the main cause of system downtime. The Eurotank 2-person cleaning teams are not only able to clean out the jet wash and sill traps, but also undertake the cleaning of the jet wash screens, the jet wash itself, and the surrounding areas. Uniquely, the cleaning team can also participate in the planned preventative maintenance schedule. For example, the replacement of the air machine chuck, which is the most highly used consumable. All this helps to reduce costs and increase your all-important uptime.
I hope you found that useful. It's worth getting in touch with Eurotank to explore the Electrajet partnership and what Eurotank can do for you in balloting.